So I'm going to attempt lowering springs on this today. I'm at 3.75. You've got to say the 7.5 else it starts crying, because it is a Mark 3 basically. And it's also the worst sounding MX5 in the fucking world. So yeah, let's put some lowering springs on this and see how it goes. But it'll work. I know what you're going to say, 4 poster, blah blah blah. That's all I've got. That's my MOT ramp. Other than that, it's on my driveway at home. So let's see what we're working with. Then and there. So I've never really worked on a Mark 3.75, but everything looks like the Mark 1, Mark 2, so should be pretty easy, but it's an MX5, it's rusty as fuck. So that's out of the way. This is out. I'm going to undo the top ones, see if I can bend it this way and pull it out from here, but I think I'm going to have to take these off. I think we'll see. So you've got to take the strut brace off. So whoa, look at that. Close. I didn't lose the bolt, I didn't, I promise. So I had to take these off, 217mm, but as you can see, it is off. So there's 3 things in life I'm scared of. The other vests, which is snakes, spiders, and spring compressors. And guess what? It's spring compressor time. So fronts are done. It looks like exactly the same, not gonna lie. But it does look pretty cool with the red and red, I suppose. So the fronts are done. Onto the back, looks pretty simple. I don't know what it'll do. Battery low. It looks like I can just take this off, and then there's a nut here, and then some inside. It looks like it just slides out. Looks like. But we'll see. Hopefully. Strip all this out to get to the struts. Decide this off to get to obviously 2 bolts there and there. So I had to take this arm out and then pry it down past this place. So that's that side in, just got to do the other side, and it's all done on the floor. See how it sits. It looks like it's going to sit the same. Also, took a hit to the head, but it'll be alright. All done. The front hasn't really changed. The rear hasn't. I reckon that's gone lower a little bit. It's time to settle, but it's not going to settle much. Yeah, so 35mm on a Mark 3.75 doesn't do nothing really. It's a lot stiffer though, which is better. Very boaty, I mean very boaty. It still is boaty, but yeah, it's all done.